Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Topps Fire blaster box. I have opened these up in the past but never have I made a video. This will be my first. Alright, this here it contains 7 packs, 1 bonus pack with 4 exclusive gold minted base parallel cards. Look for autographs, autograph patches and relics. Okay, let's see, let's go ahead and open up this puppy. I picked this up today. It's a nice evening out here. I thought, why not make this video outside? You gotta rip this apart. There we go. I got it. Excuse the sound in the background here. Okay. This box, there's a wrapper. There you go. Let me show you the 7 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there you go. 1 gold minted. It seems like I have some company here. Buddy's right next to me. That's my dog here. You might see him pop up on the front every now and then. He also wants to be a YouTuber. Alright, there you go. For the first pack, we have a Ronaldo Lopez rookie card. Nice. I don't think I have one of these yet. Alex Reyes rookie card. Alright, Hank Aaron, Hall of Famer. Ooh, and we have our first numbered card. It's a 97 out of 99. Let's see if that's clear. Edgar Renteria. Nice. It's purple. There we go. Now we have a Matt Carpenter. Aldubo Herrera. Alright, numbered card. Wait a minute. Let me go to split these. No, I mixed them up here. Get some room here. Okay, let's go with our second pack. All right, nice. Bo Jackson. I like this one. Steve Carlton. All right, and a Freddie Freeman. I believe these are walk-off home run cards. I do believe I have one of these. I've seen this before. I should have one of these. It's nice to have another one. Take that. Split that over here on this side. Alright, a Trevor Story, Jacob DeGrom, Steven Matz. That's 2 down. Alright, we got 5 more of these to go. Okay, Roberto Clemente. Family here. Phil Niekro. Not familiar with this guy. Alright, Ernie Banks, Hall of Famer. A Andrew McCutchen. Alright, parallel. Red. Not numbered. Nice though. Jacoby Ellsbury. Trey Turner. That. Let's go to our next one. Alright, David Dahl. I have no David Dahl rookie card in Topps Fire yet. This will be my first. Ooh, Jackie Robinson. It's my first Jackie Robinson pull out of Topps Fire. Happy to have that. Brooklyn Dodgers. A Byron Buxton. What is this? Alright, Topps Golden Grabs. Oh, these are nice cards. Cool. Johnny Cueto. Chris Archer. Christian Yelich. Let's see what the back card looks nice. Jeff Hoffman rookie card. Ryan Sandberg, future Hall of Famer. Willie Stargell. This guy looks like one of those old school players. Not familiar with the player, but looks like a future Hall of Famer. Not a Hall of Famer already. Alright, we have another numbered card. This one's numbered 157 out of 299. You guys see that? Cool. Gerald Cotton. Let's look at it from the front. Green for the Oakland A's. It's a nice card. Let's put that over here. Okay, Nelson Cruz and an Ian Happ rookie card. Cool. Alright, let's go with our next pack. We're almost done. We're almost done. 2 more to go after this. Okay, we have Randy Johnson, William McAvoy. Alright, cool. Ryan Sandberg. This is one of those graffiti cards with the nickname Rhino. Ryan Sandberg the Rhino. Cool. It's a nice card to have. Alright, we got a, well, to me that's a hit. I've been looking for one of these Cody Billingers on Topps Fire. I finally got one. Now I think I can finally take it easy and lay off the Topps Fire for a while. I got my Aaron Judge, Andrew Benintendi, Bellinger, Dansby Swanson, and a couple of more. Nice. Jake Arrieta, Yasmani Grandal, Dodger. Alright, Dodgers. We'll be back next year, man. It's alright. Damn proud of you guys. We had a good season. Thank you for that. Alright, here we go. Harmon Killebrew, Ricky Henderson. Oh man, look at that. Check that out. Another Aaron Judge. This would be my 3rd one with Topps Fire. Be nice if it was one of these other parallels, but I mean, I'll take it. Take an Aaron Judge anytime. Come on, Judgy over here, right over to Billy. Alright, and then we have a Jonathan Villar. It looks pink. One of those pink parallel cards. Nice. Ender Inquiarte and a Mark Melancon. Alright, so far so good. I think we've done good with this pack so far. Whatever comes out after this is a bonus. Let's see what we find over here in the gold minted pack. Carlos Gonzalez. You see in the back. Babe Ruth, cool. Never found one of these before. Gold minted Babe Ruth. See this one? Lou Brock. From the looks of the guy, from the looks of him, I mean, I'm pretty sure he's a Hall of Famer from back in the day. And Miguel Cabrera, cool, nice. Say we did pretty good here with this pack. I'd like to mention that in the past I have pulled out a Ryan Healy, one of those redemption cards. I think that's probably the biggest card I've ever pulled out of one of these packs, of these boxes. And also a who was it? It was a Cub relic card. It was 20 out of 25. Who was it? I think it was Schwarber, something like that. Something like that. Anyway, let me just go ahead and show you the cards that I think were probably, hits compared, at least from my point of view. This numbered Edgar Renteria, 97 out of 99. And then there was another one, right? Yeah, this one, 157 out of 299. Gerald Cotton. Cool. Yeah, these aren't any special cards. These aren't relics or anything like that. But I mean, to me, these are special cards. Cody and Judge, record breaker of 2017, breaking Mark McGwire's 1985 rookie home run record. Cody Bellinger, way to go, breaking the record for getting to a certain number of home runs for a rookie. I'm not sure in general and for the Dodgers. I think it's for the Dodgers, but cool. Ian Happ, David Dahl. That's it. All these other great cards are good too, but those are the ones that draw my attention. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and hope to see you soon again. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you later.